everyone. How are you all? This is my first live FB chat, so bring it on. I'm waiting. There's no network here. Network comes and goes. And this mic is also not fitting my can, so. Can they hear me? Comments have come. Hello Anna, hi Rajan. I am lucky, yes. I am. While I'm waiting for your questions, let me tell you all that my husband's short film Kriti has released on YouTube yesterday. It's already got 5 lakh views. Please go on the link and see it. If you can't find the link, I've posted it on my Facebook page. Okay, any plans of working with Deepika again? And who is asking me this? Farah Khan? Some other Farah Khan. Okay. So, yes, I would love to work with her. I mean, she's my discovery. She's my baby and she's the #1 actress right now in the country. So, if I have anything that I think is suitable for both of us again to work together, why not? Hello, how are you, Atik? I'm fine. I'm fine. Everybody is asking me how am I? I'm fine. भूषण सराग, तुम्हारी पसंदीदार मूवी कौन सी आहे? ये कौन सी लैंग्वेज है भूषण? मराठी एंड समथिंग बंगाली, एवरीथिंग यू हैव मिक्स. Zain, is it Zain Malik? No, Zain Amir. Sadat Hussain, any project with Salman Khan? Well, Sadat, I've just shot a song with Salman for Sultan. पता नहीं आप लोग ने देखा है कि नहीं, बेबी को बेस पसंद है एंड अभी तो कोई प्रोजेक्ट माइंड में डायरेक्शन के लिए नहीं है, बट आई लव वर्किंग विद हिम एंड वी हैव अ ग्रेट रैपो. और जब भी हम गाना करते हैं वो स्टेप हमेशा हिट हो जाता है, तो आई होप टू बी डूइंग मोर सॉन्ग्स विद हिम. हेलो प्रिंस, आई एम लुकिंग सो ब्यूटिफुल. प्रिंस, तुम्हारी आंखें चेक कराओ. एंड Ezik Chukwu says, I love all your movies, they are great. Thank you so much. Also tell me how to pronounce your name. I am sure I pronounced it wrong. Angie Raghu says, any project with Ranveer Singh? Angie, not as yet, but I am soon to be directing an ad with Ranveer, and that will be the first time we'll be working together. So I'm looking forward to it. I think it'll be great fun. Omkar says, I will surely watch the movie. Thank you, Omkar. I hope you're talking about Kriti. Yes, please do watch it. And as you know, I cannot read without my chashma now, so I'm going to put it on. फारा जी, तो मैं तुम्हारी फिल्म में काम करना चाहता हूँ. SP ला. SP ठीक है, जैसे मैं फिल्म बनाऊंगी पहले मैं तुम्हारा स्क्रीन टेस्ट लूँगी. Sharyar says, I'm looking good with my glasses and blowing hair. Okay, Sharyar, thank you so much. I'm sitting on the 35th floor and there's a very good breeze happening right now, and glasses because I can't read without them. Lata, thank you. कुछ पूछो यार, तुम लोग सब मेरे को कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स ही दे रहे हो, मेरा भेजा घूम जाएगा अभी. Romeo says, I love your movies. मैं हूँ ना, I guess. Okay, thank you, Romeo. I love you too. Ajmal says, any new movies you're going to direct in 2017? Yes, I'm hoping to direct in 2016. 2017 तो बहुत late हो जाएगा. Finish the script and Shahrukh is supposed to produce it. And जैसे मेरे बच्चों की holidays खत्म हो जाएंगी, I'm going to go and sit on Shahrukh's lap and say, hurry up and make the movie. Yash Putras, who do you think is the best actor in the industry? Well, my favorite of course is Shahrukh, but there are also other very, very good, great actors now in the film industry. तो मेरा favorite तो I would say is Shahrukh. और कौन है? Love you, Zoc. Mahesh says. Avinash Dogra says, I'm a total package. Avinash, मेरे को रात को phone करना. I'll have a chat with you. Rajit says, I'm talented, expecting your films always. Thank you, Rajit. And Yasu says, lots of love from Cologne, Germany. Thank you, Yasu. I've been to Germany, but I haven't been to Cologne. I've been to Baden-Baden, I think. How come you have so much fun on Kapil show? संजीव कुमार सैनी. संजीव, कपिल मैं 5वीं बार गई हूँ कपिल के शो पे. It's always great fun because Kapil is fabulous. Their team is fabulous. And this time I went with my best friend Sania Mirza. So obviously the chemistry was very natural and very जैसे कि हम घर पे बैठ के मजाक करते हैं, बिल्कुल वैसा ही था. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, नन ऑफ इट वाज स्क्रिप्टेड. मुझे बहुत लोगों ने पूछा कि आपने स्क्रिप्ट किया था क्या ये शो. नन ऑफ इट वाज स्क्रिप्टेड. ओके, काजी आशिफ सेज मैम यू आर सो टैलेंटेड. मे अल्लाह ऑलवेज, अल्लाह ब्लेस यू टू काजी एंड थैंक यू सो मच. Jatin Tyagi says, what was your experience during the shoot of Gerua song? Well, Jatin, as you know, I think yesterday Gerua became the widest viewed song on YouTube, 100 million views. So I think it's a great honor कि मेरा गाना was viewed the maximum times. Of course, Shahrukh and Kajol are just magic. Like I said, वो चाय भी पी रहे होंगे साथ में, तो it becomes magical. But Iceland में shoot करने का जो एक experience था, it was unforgettable. If you see the making of Gerua, you will know what our halat was while making that beautiful song. हम सर्दी में we had frozen and it was supposed to be summer over there. Sambhav Raghuvanshi says, why don't you cast Nawazuddin? I would love to cast Nawazuddin. I think he's just fabulous. जैसे मुझे कोई अच्छा मतलब role in which he can do justice, I can do justice to him. I will cast him, of course. करमजीत कौर says, मैम I love you. आपको क्या पसंद है? मुझे तुम पसंद हो यार करमजीत. Thank you, I love you too. आपको कौन सी मूवीज, तू इतना फास्ट जा रहा है तो मैं पढ़ने नहीं हो रहा है मेरे को, रुक. परी says, रमजान मुबारक from Pakistan. Thank you so much. रमजान मुबारक to you too. It's going very fast. A lot of people have joined in. Sorry. पहला नशा से बेबी को बेस पसंद है. अमेजिंग जर्नी सेड कपूर. यस सेड, इट हैज बीन एन अमेजिंग जर्नी एंड what is good is that people still remember Pehla Nasha and people still watch it and it's still a fresh song, even though it'll be, I think, 25 years next year. 25 years next year. 1992 the movie released. Dubai say, how was your Ramzan? Bilal, Ramzan is going on. I'm sorry, I have not managed to keep any rozas. I've been traveling so much this time, but I hope to make it up. And Rahul De says, Namaste, love you. You are my God. Oh my God, Rahul, I love you too. Sanjeev says, I really like you, ma'am. Thank you, Sanjeev. I love you too. Sahib says, hello ma'am, you're awesome, your comedy is superb. Okay, thank you Sahib. I must say that my comedy ka credit I give to my mother and father who had a great sense of humor. और जब हम गरीब भी थे, we used to find things funny even in the worst situations. So I think it comes from there. Fatima Bhatt says, any plans to visit Pakistan in future? As of now, not any. Fatima, I would love to. As you know, Mehuna was one of the first and few movies where Pakistan was portrayed properly, and we said that we want to do a peace treaty between India and Pakistan. We are still waiting for that peace treaty to happen. Veer Khan says, hi, आपका Happy New Year बहुत अच्छा था. Thank you, Veer. My children feel the same also. Please tell experience about dancing with Preeti Zinta. Well, Preeti's first movie Dil Se, I choreographed her first song ever, Jia Jale. And she's completely mad, she's crazy, and I love her. She's one of the very few real girls in the industry. And says, ma'am, Imran Siddiqui says, I have an amazing sense of humor. Thank you so much, Imran. And Bullard Sirat says, you're very cute. You are very cute babies. Do you mean I am very cute babes, or my babies are very cute? Okay. Love from Norway. Bean Yamin, love you too. I've been to Norway, by the way. I've shot a song with Shahrukh and Twinkle in Norway for a movie called Bacha. And Sanjeev Kumar Seni says, is losing weight easy? No, it's the toughest thing I've done. Having 3 children together is easier than losing the weight. Rajan Casey says, hi Sajid sir, where is Farah ma'am? Hi Rajan, this is Sajid speaking. Farah is right now finding her wig which I've put on and I'm talking to you. Sanjeev Adhikari says, I can't tell you, I'm really. We love you, ma'am. Thank you, Sanjeev. I'm also very happy to talk to you, and I love you too. Sumaya says, hi Farah, I want to be like you. Sumaya, everything but my weight problem. Be everything like me, but don't put on the weight. Chetan Bhatti says, my birthday. Of course, Chetan, happy birthday to you for tomorrow. May God bless you. May you have many, many happy years. Furkan says, ma'am, आपकी next movie कौन सी है? Furkan, my next movie is a film with two girls. It's a really interesting script, and like I said, Shah Rukh's going to produce it. वो कब शुरू होगी, कब शादी होगी, कब पिक्चर शुरू होगी और कब आपको घर मिलेगा, ये सब भगवान और अल्लाह के हाथ में होता है. श्रुचि says, hello ma'am, I love you a lot. Me too. Hi. Harshesh Gokani says, do you love rain? Harshesh, I love rain when I'm sitting inside my house and it's raining outside. But when you're caught in traffic jam and it's raining, पता नहीं गाड़ियों को क्या हो जाता है रेन के में मल्टीप्लाई इन द रेन. Bin Yamin Sheikh says, you are the greatest director. Thank you, Bin Yamin. That's very sweet of you. Manoj Kumar. अरे ये कौन सा मनोज कुमार है? Manoj Kumar Jalap. Okay, I like your movie मैं हूँ ना, but why you make Tismar Khan? Manoj, why do we do things we do यार? We make हो जाती है यार लोगों से गलतियाँ. तुमसे भी हुई होंगी. Why did you see it? Yuva Ravi says, when is your next directional movie coming up? And you seem a really good human. Thank you Yuva. And like I said, next movie, when is it coming? I hope to start shooting for it end of this year. I don't know when. Hopefully next year it will release. Ma'am, I love Shrishti. I love you too. Yasmin, I love you too. Hussein says, who is your favorite hero? Like I said, Shah Rukh, but that's become very boring. So I'll say my favorite hero is Baman Irani, because he's the only hero that I had. As in, I was the heroine and he was the hero. Abdul Qureshi says, Faraji, you're a great mom. Well, Abdul, I try to be a good mom. I hope I succeed. That's the world's most biggest responsibility on a woman. I love you. You are so cute. Thank you, Imran. I wish I could see you, and you are very cute also. Okay, Anis. Everyone seems to ask me about my next movie. So Maya says, ma'am, your daughters are very cute. Yes, my daughters are very cute. My son is very cute also. Yeah. Okay, is that all? Bye. Thank you so much for being with me, and I'll keep coming back and talking to you all on Facebook. It's so nice to connect with all of you all, and do watch Kriti. Go on YouTube right now, click on the link. The link is on Facebook. Mona coming. Okay, so it's not over as yet, so I will try to Nasrin Prova says, would you please tell us about your favorite dish? My favorite dish, I think, Nasrin, would be anything with mutton in it. So mutton curry with aloo gosh or mutton biryani. Okay, and Amir Khan. Which Amir Khan is this? No, it's a दूसरा Amir Khan, and आपने बहुत लिखा है, मुझे पढ़ने नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, I love your film, love your family. Zikriya Kam, Sukhvinder Singh, hello. Come to Pakistan and direct one movie, inshallah. Noor is from Morocco, and I like the Indian cinema. And yes, I know, I've been to Morocco, and they love the Indian cinema. We played Happy New Year at the Moroccan Film Festival, and I think there was a crowd of 10,000 people in the square who came to watch it. Okay. Deepam Shukla says, what is Kriti? Kriti is a short film made by my husband Shirish Kundar. Is getting great reviews on digital platform. Please go on YouTube and see it. Smarty Ehsan says, your favorite movie? I guess in Hindi it'll have to be Sholay, and in English is Singing in the Rain. But there are too many movies to love, so I can't just choose one. Okay, so last 1 minute, guys, and Sanjeev Kumar again says, I love you. And Sumaya says, what's your plan for Eid? Sumaya, this time, unfortunately, I won't be in Bombay for Eid. Otherwise, I have a huge party and a big Eid lunch, and all of my friends come, and it goes on from 1 o'clock in the afternoon to 7 in the evening. But this time, I'll be in New York with my kids. I'm taking them for the first time to America before Trump bans all Muslims and I don't get a visa anymore. So Rabi from Nepal says, I really love your work. Thank you, Rabi. And what the hell, I am totally crushed because day by day Farah become too young. रेजा वाह, एक तो इंग्लिश की तुम माँ बहन कर रहे हो और ऊपर से मुझे झूठ भी बोल रहे हो. Okay, but I like it. Thank you. MD Fazil says your favorite actor. Actually, my favorite actress was Hema Malini. I love her. I can watch her movies anytime. And when I was younger, she was my idol. And everyone says who's your favorite actress. So it's Hema Malini. I'm being very politically correct also. Mosina says Eid Mubarak to you in advance. Yes, Eid Mubarak to all of you all in advance. May Allah bless you all always. And Himanshu Kotkar, I like you. You say you're the best director, Farah. Thank you. I'm sure you tell this to all directors, Himanshu. And Ramona from Germany, Berlin. Yes, Ramona, big hug to you and your family. I love. Om Shanti Om played at the Berlin Film Festival. I couldn't come. I was heavily pregnant. But I know how much Germany, how much love they give our movies. So thank you so much. Us, guys, can I go? Tariq Aziz just says he's from Tamil Nadu. Hi Tariq, I'm from Bombay. How are you? Mumbai. Shantu says I love your personality. Thank you, Shantu. I'm sure I would love yours too whenever I met you. Prabha Gand Kalun says next movie. Ubaid says so basically I've understood that I'm very cute. A lot of people saying I'm very cute. And Samir Oberoi says, what's your take on censor board? Samir, I wish we just had a certification board and not a censor board because they don't have a certificate and only adults will go watch that movie. I think adults got enough brains to know what they want to watch and what they don't want to watch. So it's censor board has become, first it was a free editing, then it became free publicity, and now it's become free distribution because they're leaking out movies also. Okay, so guys, now I have to go. My children are waiting for me. Thank you so much for being on this chat with me, and see you all next time. Okay, enough?
Yeah.
Bye.